Hey there, I'm Britt and welcome to The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
Today we're over here in the Panama City area in this gorgeous new subdivision of Titus Park. Can't wait to show you this gorgeous new construction. Hey there. I want to make sure you check out the extra details. One of the things I love about the living dining area are there's some architectural details that allow it to feel separated but still a part of the main living area, and just adds that extra elegance with the cutouts in the ceilings and the recessed lighting. And as you go throughout, you'll notice there's great LVP throughout the main areas, so good for lots of traffic. And this kitchen, can we talk about this kitchen? Gorgeous big center island, plenty of cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and an additional little eating nook off to your left with natural light coming in. It is a gorgeous space. And if you checked out the outdoor area, you'll notice that they actually went to the extra detail of matching the countertops from the inside to the outside, so you have continuity of design. I'm over here in the primary bedroom, which is off the rear of the house, which overlooks a gorgeous wooded area, lots of natural light through the windows. Very large, spacious bedroom with, again, the nice tray ceilings and recessed lighting. Nice big bathroom, plenty of space for everyone. You've got your garden tub and your shower, so if you'd like to relax, you can do so. One of the things you're gonna love about this home is there's all these little extra details. This was a custom built house that is very special, and you're gonna wanna check it out for yourself. One more thing I wanted to put out about this gorgeous home in Titus Park is there's an extra room that could be utilized as an office, nursery, workout room, wherever your imagination takes you. Plenty of space, beautiful layout. If you loved what you saw at this new construction home, including this great summer kitchen, make sure you check out the links below. There you'll see other pertinent information like more photos and who to contact if you want to make this home yours. And wait, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Don't miss out on any future deals.